Trump campaign launches Operation MAGA to keep momentum at full speed. Japan, Sony and Kioxia seeking US approval to supply to Huawei. Bigg Boss back with new season, contestants and safety precautions amid COVID-19. James Bond film No Time to Die delayed until April 2021. Disney Plus coming up with new drama series on NASA space program. Poco C3 to feature 13-megapixel triple rear camera setup up to 4GB RAM. With Donald Trump in the hospital, his campaign has launched Operation MAGA, which it describes as a full marshalling of top-level surrogates, campaign coalitions and Trump supporters to rally behind the president until he can return to the trail. Operation MAGA, which is the acronym for Make America Great Again, will see Vice President Mike Pence and members of the First Family making in-person campaign appearances in key battleground states. President Trump is currently undergoing treatment for coronavirus at Walter Reed Medical Center in Bethesda. Members of the First Family will also host live events in battleground states beginning after Wednesday as well. All the previously announced campaign events involving Trump's participation have either been moved to virtual formats or are being temporarily postponed. Japan, Sony Corp and memory chipmaker Kioxia Holdings Corp have applied for US approval to continue supplying Huawei Technologies Co. Limited, Tokyo Stock Exchange Nikkei has reported. If confirmed, the move follows other tech companies such as Intel Corp that recently reviewed licenses from US authorities. With US-China ties at their worst in decades, Washington has been pushing governments around the world to squeeze out Huawei, arguing that the telecoms giant would transfer data to the Chinese government for espionage. Huawei is one of the top customers for Sony's image sensors for smartphones. Kioxia Holdings is the world's number 2 maker of flash memory chips and a Huawei supplier. Nikkei said without US licenses, Sony and Kioxia would face risk to their earnings. Bigg Boss, one of Indian television's most popular reality shows, had a grand premiere on Saturday night with its new season minus the live audience in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. Armed with a hammer, Bollywood superstar Salman Khan, who hosts the show, opened the 14th season, signifying that Bigg Boss is set to give a befitting response to 2020, which has been a difficult year so far. In a reference to COVID-19, Khan said, "This is that year where the most negative word is positive." With the theme "Ab scene paltega kyunki Bigg Boss dega 2020 ko jawab," that is, things will change as Bigg Boss will confront 2020, the Bigg Boss house is equipped with a shopping mall, theatre, spa and dining area. The makers of the new James Bond movie, which has already had its release date pushed back once due to the pandemic, said it would now be released until April 2021. No Time to Die, the 25th installment of the fictional British spy saga, sees Bond drawn out of retirement in Jamaica by his old friend and CIA agent Felix Leiter. It is expected to be actor Daniel Craig's last outing as 007 after starring in 4 previous films. The movie had been initially set for a London premiere on March 31, 2020, before a rollout worldwide in April. Disney Plus will premiere The Right Stuff on October 9, a National Geographic series about the early days of NASA's space program. It is based on the iconic bestseller by Tom Wolfe and also relates to the Cold War. The channel's lineup also includes an inspiring true story in Clouds, available October 16, that follows a teenager with rare bone cancer who decides to pursue his passion for music. Further, we have Next, beginning October 7, a sci-fi series about an AI gone rogue with Mad Men's John Slattery in the lead. Poco C3 will feature a triple rear camera setup headlined by a 13-megapixel primary shooter, revealed the Xiaomi spin-off brand through a tweet. The short video shared by Poco India on Twitter shows the camera details of the Poco C3 that is set to launch in India on October 6 at 12 p.m. The phone is rumored to be a rebranded Redmi 9C that was launched in Malaysia back in June, and with the camera specifications for the Poco C3 revealed, the rumor seems to have gotten more weight. The company has not shared pricing for the phone, but a recent leak suggests that its 4GB plus 64GB storage variant will be priced at Rs 10,990. Further, the Flipkart page for the phone says it will come with up to 4GB of RAM.